The voltage is ready to make the amplifier. This is 12 voltage, 13.7 voltage for the surround amplifier, and this is 026 voltage for subwoofer amplifier. This is 26 voltage. Here is 2 voltage. Now I am going to make this amplifier. It will be 4:1 amplifier, 4:1. Now I am going to connect the four surround wire. This wire for 4 surround speaker. This wire for 4 surround speaker. Need to soldering. This is the output, surround output wire. Here will be 4 surround output, 4 surround. Soldering nicely. I always try to make it nice. This is the surround amplifier, TDA 7297 TDA 7297 IC, TDA 7297 IC. This is the stereo amplifier. This is stereo amplifier. I am connecting the audio output. This audio output goes to the socket. Another side, audio output, left and right side. This one connection ready. Now need to connect another one. I am connecting the another one. Two speaker, both side need to connect. Here has two amplifier. Need to connect the voltage, 12 voltage. This circuit run with 12 voltage. I am connecting the 12 voltage here. This circuit needs a single voltage. This circuit need single voltage. Now I need to connect the audio input. Connecting the voltage first. This is the negative voltage. This is the negative voltage. Red one is the positive voltage. Black one is the negative. Red one is the positive. Okay, the circuit will be here. Now I'm going to connect the audio input. This is the audio input, left and right channel. Now I'm going to fix the circuit. Fixing the circuit. Surround amplifier is ready. Surround amplifier is ready. Now need to make the subwoofer amplifier. This is the surround. I am going to connect the voltage. Connecting the voltage, 12 voltage. Connecting 12 voltage. For the surround amplifier. The positive voltage, red one. Black one is the negative voltage. This negative voltage and another ground voltage should be together. This negative voltage and another ground voltage should be together. This is the negative voltage. This is the negative voltage. Now I am fixing the wire with this tie. I am fixing the wire with this tie, cable tie. This is the cable tie. Okay, the surround amplifier is ready. Now I am going to fix the subwoofer amplifier. For the subwoofer amplifier, this is the subwoofer amplifier. This circuit should be like this. This is the voltage wire, positive voltage. This is the negative voltage. This is the negative voltage. This is the speaker output. This is the speaker output. This is the audio input. Now I need to connect the ground voltage. It will be ground voltage. Now I am going to fix the circuit here using a screw. Fixing the circuit like this way. It will be the negative voltage. This is the negative voltage. This is negative voltage. This is negative voltage. I am connecting the negative voltage. Now red one is the positive voltage. This is the positive voltage. It's the positive voltage. and this is the ground. This is the ground voltage. This is ground ready. Now I am going to fix here the circuit. I'm going to fix here. Need to make one hole. I'm making the hole in the drill machine. Is it fixed ready? Now need to connect the audio output and audio input. This is audio output, should go there. Here we can connect two subwoofer speaker. For this case I am connecting with two terminal, because here it will be used two speaker. Need to connect nicely. This is the speaker output. Now need the ground voltage for the speaker. Need the ground voltage for the speakers. I'm using this wire to bring the ground voltage to the speaker output. This is the ground voltage for the speaker. Need to connect here. This is the ground voltage. This is two audio input, one for subwoofer, one for surround. This is the low pass filter. Ground negative and positive voltage. I use here 15 voltage regulated IC. Here will be negative and positive voltage. I will connect here negative and positive voltage. The base output from here and input to here. Wait for